This car had rubbed one side against another car and had deep and superficial scratches. We were charged $200 to repair these scratches. First, apply a 1500 grit sandpaper. Next, apply a metallic paint that matches the car's color code with a pen to the deep areas and use a credit card to fill in the deep scratches. Do this twice to fill in the scratches without any problems. After the paint dries, remove the excess paint with 2500 grit sandpaper, leaving only the paint inside the scratches. Then mix a few drops of clear coat with a few drops of hardener. As in the previous step, fill in the scratches with a bank card. And after 3 hours of drying, apply a 1500 grit sandpaper to smooth the clear cut. In the final step, apply a single-step polish, a rough polish, and polish the surface and finish the job. Watch the before and after scratches and like the video.